Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys this sleeked up updo with that leather touch, just to bring it more texture and life. You know what it is, what it do. As a way of heatless stretching my hair, I go in with African threading as seen in the before clip. I'm now going to just detangle my hair using my fingers, and to avoid manipulating dry hair, I'm starting my styles by spritzing my hair and rehydrating it using water. I'm going to follow that up with jojoba oil mixed with my vitamin E capsules. Guys, vitamin E is the bomb.com. I'm going to start off by sectioning this a small part in the middle of my head, and that gives me height when it comes to updos. So let's say if you want to do a genie ponytail, or if you want to do that very long sleeked out ponytail and you have short 4C hair, the best way to go about it is to section that middle part and then African thread it. African threading that section will give your hair height, and it will also give you length, as you can see in the clip right before you. To style my hair, I'm going to go in with a fan favorite, which is Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to work it through my hair. I get so many questions about how I work gel into my hair, so again I'm going to show you guys. So what you need to do is you need to apply gel to sections of your hair as opposed to just on top, because what happens is the kinky hair that's at the bottom won't get enough product. And I'm going to do that by using my fingers first, and then following up with a comb, a wide tooth comb, and then a Denman brush, as you can see right now. And then I go in and I just use my hands to make sure that the style is a sleek. And then I'm just going to bring my hair to the center where I African threaded, and I'm going to use a scrunchie to put everything and bring everything together. Once I'm done doing that, I am going to go in with a toothbrush and my Isoplus gel. So to lay my edges, I use my Isoplus edge control gel mixed in with a little bit of Eco Styler. And that's because the Isoplus gel on its own doesn't last for long. So if you want your edges to be sleeked down all day long, just go in with a gel after using whatever your favorite edge control is. And after I'm done doing that, I then go in with a pulling sock. It's in the just to tighten the back, and then I go in with my satin scarf. To apply for my ponytail, I'm going to be going in with my better length clip-in extensions. You can get these online. I'm going to link their page down below. Why do I say down below? Anyways, I'm going to, in the description box. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow up by just applying the better length extension all around your ponytail, all around that section part. And I spritz my extensions, my kinky extensions, using water because it makes them way more pliable and it makes them easier to manipulate. And then I'm just going to tie them up in the middle, and I'm going to go in with a leather belt. This is a leather belt that you can get from Chinatown, or I bought mine downtown, and I just cut off the tassels so that it is to make it work for styling hair. I know I'm weird, but hey, I love how the style look. And then after you're done applying it, you're just going to go in with a scissors and cut off any unruly ends. Again, remember, these are kinky extensions, so they mimic how our natural hair is. So as you know, the more you manipulate and pull at them, you can end up with unruly flyaways. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining my video and watching my video till the end. I appreciate you guys so much. Till next time. Mwah!